we're diving into how you can master project management with an online Bachelor's of Science in Business and Project Management certificate. From planning and scheduling to risk management and leadership, we'll explore the skills you'll gain and how they apply to real-world business challenges. Ready to take the lead on your career? Welcome to University of Phoenix Presents The Framework. When it comes to managing projects, a successful outcome could at times depend on how well you can plan, organize, and lead a team. But how do you build a solid foundation of these essential skills? An online Bachelor's of Science in Business with a project management certificate program can help prepare you to tackle complex challenges and lead successful projects. In an online Bachelor's of Science in Business with a project management certificate program, you'll gain foundational project management skills to help you at your job. Project planning, where you'll learn how to define project goals, set objectives, and outline the project scope. Scheduling, so you can develop timelines, set deadlines, track task dependencies, and allocate resources effectively. Risk management skills, to identify potential risks, assess them, and create strategies or contingency plans to mitigate those risks, helping projects run smoothly despite challenges. Imagine managing a product launch. Using your project planning skills, you'll define the scope, set objectives, and allocate resources. During the execution phase, you'll apply your scheduling skills to help complete tasks on time and within budget. If unexpected delays occur, your risk management skills will help you assess the situation and develop solutions to keep the project on track. Throughout, your project leadership will ensure effective team collaboration, problem resolution, and communication, guiding the project to completion. These are all areas where project management skills can really come in handy. After completing a bachelor's degree program with a project management certificate, you'll be equipped with essential skills used in roles like project manager, overseeing all aspects of a project, ensuring it meets deadlines, stays within budget, and achieves objectives. Program manager, managing multiple projects aligned with organizational goals. Or operations manager, applying PM principles to streamline and improve business operations. If you're looking to learn the project management fundamentals, the BSB degree with the PM certificate program offers a solid foundation. You'll gain hands-on knowledge of planning, scheduling, risk management, and leadership. Whether you're aiming for a project manager career or to improve your team management, a program like this can help guide you on your path. To learn more about the BSB degree with the PM certificate program, check out the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on education, careers, and skill development.